Hi everyone. Today we are discussing about the venation. There are the two types of venation is generally found in the leaf. What is the venation? Venation means arrangement of veins or and ventlets in the leaf lamina. There are two types of venation: reticulate venation and parallel venation. What is present in the reticulate? Reticulate means there is a formation of network in the veins is known as a reticulate venation. This type of venations is found in the dicotyledonous leaves. Parallel venation. The parallel venations, this type of venation is mostly found in the monocotyledonous, and this type of the veins are run parallel to each other within the lamina. Let's see in the diagram. First of diagram is of a parallel venation. You can be see the midrib is a prominent, and other venlets are smaller in size, but they are run parallel to each other. Another one diagram is of a reticulate venation. In this, there is a formation of the network or midrib is prominent and ventlets forms the network here. Thank you.